Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Today, we are diving into the world of cryptocurrencies with Phantom Wallet. I'll show you how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using this popular wallet. So let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you will need to download and set up your Phantom Wallet. Head over to phantom.app in your web browser. Click on Add to Chrome or your preferred browser and follow the instructions to install the extension. Once installed, open the extension and create a new wallet. Remember to store your secret recovery phrase in a safe place. This is crucial because if you lose it, you won't be able to access your wallet again. Now that your wallet is set up, let's fund it. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies, you need to have some Solana in your wallet. There are two main ways to fund your Phantom Wallet: through a centralized exchange or directly from a friend or another wallet. Click on the deposit button and you will see different options. If you are transferring from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, copy your Phantom Wallet address by clicking Copy. Go to your exchange account, select Solana, and paste the copied address in the withdrawal section. Make sure you select the Solana SOL network and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is processed, you should see your SOL balance updated in your Phantom Wallet. This usually takes a few minutes. Now that your wallet is funded, let's buy some crypto. On Phantom, you can swap your SOL for various SPL tokens, which are Solana-based tokens. Click on the Swap tab at the bottom of your Phantom Wallet. You will see two drop-down menus, one for the token you want to swap and one for the token you want to receive. For example, if you want to buy USDC, select SOL in the first drop-down and USDC in the second. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap. The wallet will automatically calculate the amount of USDC you will receive. Review the transaction details, including the network fee, which is usually quite low on Solana, and click Swap. Once you confirm, Phantom Wallet will process the swap. This should only take a few seconds and you will see the USDC reflected in your wallet balance. Now, let's say you want to sell your USDC back to SOL or another token. The process is quite similar. Go back to the Swap tab. This time, you will select the USDC in the first drop-down menu and SOL or another token in the second. Enter the amount of USDC you want to swap, review the estimated SOL you will receive, and click Swap. Confirm the transaction, and in a few moments, your SOL balance will update. Selling on Phantom is just as fast as buying. Before we wrap it up, a few security tips to keep in mind. Always double-check the wallet address before sending any funds. One wrong character and you could lose your crypto forever. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. Don't share it with anyone and consider storing it offline in a secure location. Enable two-factor authentication on any exchanges you see to add an extra layer of security. And that's it for today. Buying and selling on Phantom Wallet is simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.